But remember this. They are the enemy now, and they will not hesitate to kill you. Keep your wits about you, and watch your shield brothers back. Ulfric Stormcloak is counting on us to bring him back that crown, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Follow me, quick! And quietly now. Lock their guts on the ground before they even know we're here. Show yourself! For Skyrim! I'll have your head! Ah! Give up while
Put you down!
Skyrim belongs to the North! We are routed! True! Damn you! If I could just... I'll get you to cross me. That's the way I like it. Short and bloody. They never knew what hit them. But do not make the mistake of underestimating the Legion. Plenty of them are Nords, same as us. We had the advantage of surprise this time, but things won't be so easy from here on out. Enough talk. Let's go kill some Imperials. Where'd you come from?
My steed.
I cannot let you! Ah! Ah! We've got more. Steady. Uglier than Imperials. Let's hope that's the last of them. Come on, let's see what's down this way. The crown must be around here somewhere. Spread out and keep your eyes open.
Is this the one we're looking for?
Trail off. Get away from hell. Finish this!
Why don't you stay there?
Get to Windhelm with the crown as quick as you can. Tell Ulfric he owes me a drink. We'll stick around here for a while and see if we can find anything else useful.
When you leave for good.
Soon enough, we will march on Solitude. And on that day, the heroes of Sovngarde will march with us. and the Empire will fall to its knees in fear.
Windhelm won't be able to stand another brawl.
Damn him. That old bear was right. Did you run into any trouble? That's the spirit. I'll get all the details from Galmar when he gets back. Now then, I'm glad you're here. I have a message I need delivered to the Jarl of Whiterun. Deliver this axe to Balgraf the Greater. Men who understand each other often have no need for words. There are but a few simple truths behind one warrior giving another his axe. Balgraf will know my meaning. Keep your wits about you. The Jarl of Whiterun is known for his temper.
Good to see you.
Did he now? Huh. The man is persistent, I'll give him that. I suppose it's time I give him an answer. Prevent us.
Thing anyway.
The Empire's ravenous hunger for Skyrim silver makes them fierce. But rest assured, we'll win the Reach and wrest it from their greedy paws. Then I was wrong about him. You're right, Galmar.
Again.
I'm in no mood to joke.
Give the word, my lord, and Whiterun is yours.
Whiterun is only a means to an end.
I've toured our camps. We're ready, Ulfric. Whenever you are.
Is any man ever ready to give the order that will mean the deaths of many?
No. But neither is every man able to give that order when he must. But you are that man, Ulfric. You've been that man before, and you'll be him again. And these men and women, they call themselves Stormcloaks because they believe in you. They are the meanest, toughest sons of bitches Skyrim has to offer. And they want this. They want this as much as you do. Perhaps they want it more.
You're certain we're ready? Whiterun's army will no doubt be bolstered with legionnaires. And those walls around Whiterun are old, but they still stand.
We are ready, and I might be old myself, but I'll kick those damn walls down with my bare feet, if you would only ask me to do it.
And I'm sure you could do it too. All right, this is it.
Yes!
Send the word. A new day is dawning, and the sun rises over Whiterun.
Aye, and the Sons of Skyrim will greet that dawn, teeth and swords flashing.
So it begins. Make haste to our camp in Whiterun. I want you on the front lines. I have a feeling about you. Your place is on that battlefield. I need you there. Fight well or die well. Talos be with you.
We're taking the city. Meet the brothers gathering for the attack. Fight well or die well. This is it, men! They say that our cause is false, and that we are nothing more than thieves, thugs, and murderers. But no! We are farmers! We are craftsmen! We are sons and daughters of shopkeepers, maidservants, and soldiers! We are the sons and daughters of Skyrim! And we have come this far because our cause is true, because we fight as one, and because our hearts are bursting with anger. What we do here today, we do for our country, for all the true Lords of Skyrim. Whiterun's walls are tall, but they are old and crumbling, like the Empire whose legion lines them. They've barricades to block us, but we'll tear through them, and the Imperials behind them. Our objective is the drawbridge. If we can find a way to drop it, the city will be ours. Everyone on me! Let's show these Imperial milk drinkers what true Lords look like!
Give up on it! For the glory of the Empire! That's all you've got! Gods! I cannot...
And water the ground with your blood.
Victory is yours! I commit! You call yourself a warrior?
Sure have mercy on you!
I keep thinking I see something moving in the shadows. Keep a sharp eye out.
Please, someone do something.
Let's go.
Victory is yours! Die, damn it!
Hawks of the Empire!
This ends now.
Damned if I let this rabble take my city without raising my own sword.
Protect the Jarl with your lives!
Die, Kill you! Not good enough, are you? Such a pretty shade of red. Not Bastard! Oh, you're not even trying! That's the end of that.
Keep a sharp eye out. Enough! That's enough. I surrender. I surrender. Peace! Everyone stand down. That's an order. Stand down!
Algrove!